From commercial jets to stealth fighters, James Engineering's technology has left a mark on the skies. But our impact goes beyond the clouds. We're honored to play a pivotal role in bolstering military readiness around the world. Our innovative solutions have not only improved the surface finishes and eliminated stress risers of leading military attack helicopters, but we have also worked on critical components, including stealth fighter engine main shafts and hot-cold stage rotors. With our expertise, we ensure superior performance and reliability for aircraft and other essential military systems worldwide, enhancing their capabilities and protecting the lives of those in service. We work closely with defense organizations, both at home and abroad, to understand their unique needs and develop tailor-made finished solutions. James Engineering is proud to be a pioneer in aviation technology and to contribute to military readiness worldwide. Join us in ensuring that our skies remain secure and our defense forces are always prepared. Together, we're shaping the future of military readiness. Together, we're building a safer world.